in Calgary. I'm Corey Morgan. I just want to give an update to people. You know, we're watching Ottawa. We're focused on what's going on there. But we want to remind people, these rallies and protests are going on all around the country. You can see we've got well over 1,000 people behind me. People are still pouring into this park downtown in Calgary right now. Even if things get cleared out in Ottawa, we can see this is far from done. This is not over. People are pushing back. They're rallying. These are going to be happening, as far as I can tell, and talking to organizers every weekend. As the weather gets better, as people get more frustrated, this is going to keep going. Justin Trudeau can bring in whatever he likes, his acts, his War Measures Act, his version of it. It doesn't matter. People are going to keep coming out. The atmosphere is just excellent. There's a lot of police presence. They're around the outside. There are some horses here, which even kind of surprised me, considering how badly that went yesterday in Ottawa as the horses came in and trampled peaceful protesters. There's been no tension between the police and the people here at all, though. Of course, there's not a blockage. This isn't an illegal demonstration yet, anyways. A lot of families, children, dogs. It's a good attitude. It's not like the one I saw a couple of weeks ago, though. People are still optimistic. They're peaceful. But there's more anger here this time. There definitely is. People are upset. They're not happy with what's been going on in Ottawa, but or in Canada in general. I mean, that's the thing. Not everybody can get out there, but these protests are spreading, and it's just great to see. People aren't letting go. They're not giving up. And more are pouring in as I speak right now. They're going to be marching around the city in a little while. I don't see how this would go poorly at all. You know, I mean, again, people saying protests could get out of control or not peaceful. Well, Ottawa's going differently right now. The only way this would go badly was if the police tried to get in anybody's face. And they have, to their credit, been polite so far, though standoffish, not as jovial as they have been in other protests I've seen. By the way, lots of honking, lots of people, lots of speeches going on. Thousands, I would say, at this point, of Calgarians down here, and they're going to start marching soon. We're going to interview some more people. We'll have stuff coming up.